This is my first YouTube long video cooking chicken. So all my recipe are in shorts, and this is my first time doing long videos about cooking. So sorry if I'm not good in this, because this is my first time. So in this recipe, I stir fried chicken. I stir fried chicken first in garlic, oil, and ginger. And secondly, I put this one in Tagalog is tengang daga, the black color, and then the pino or the cucumber, then the chicken legs. I take out the one that is the corner. It's have fats or the cholesterol, so that it's healthy. So this is it. I slice thinly the cucumber or the pepino, and then I will put oyster sauce and light sauce. So if you don't have oyster sauce, you can put salt. Depends on your taste. And then a little bit of sugar. So my dish is ready. Maybe less than 10 minutes. I'm just waiting for this cucumber to. So while we're waiting, we'll cover first and let it boil. So let's see later, because this is my first time cooking chicken in cucumber. This dish is a Chinese, and also Filipino dish. Ginger is healthy and it smells so good. You can follow me and subscribe on my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'm waiting. See, it's very yummy, and it smells good. So I'm done preparing cornstarch to make it a little bit saucy, and then you will put, depends on your amount you want. So you see, it's already cooked and cooked. My sauce is saucy, and then enjoy, guys. This is cheaper recipe because it's very simple and then very easy. So I will cover first for a while, and then let's see later. I will serve and enjoy your meal with your family. So guys, it's cooked already. You see, it's soft, and then the cucumber is already cooked. Then let's get ready. I will off already the fire, and I will prepare it. Let's taste and enjoy the meal. So guys, you see, I will try. It's soft, creamier, and then this one is just enough, very soft. So before I end, Please subscribe to my channel and enjoy the cooking. God bless everyone. Don't forget, you're so special.